पढ़ोगे लिखोगे होगे खराब, कि पढ़ोगे लिखोगे होगे खराब, खेलोगे कूदोगे बनोगे नवाब। Very, very first, I would like to thank Mr. Bipin sir who has given me the golden chance to speak in front of you all. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is me, Laiba Sami, and today it's my great pleasure to speak in front of you all. And I would like to deliver a speech on the topic of sports. Would you like to appreciate me? Okay. First of all, we should know that what is a sports. Sport is not like winning a game or winning any sport. Sport is just a thing that we should always participate in any sport, like not just for winning, but also for gaining the knowledge about that particular thing and to enhance our physical and mental activities. A government and like many organizations are working to spread the awareness of sports, the awareness of sports worldwide, because sport is very much necessary for us, and in our schools it is, so that we can know that sport is how much important for us. Like sport is the game, like if we are sometimes we are overthinking and we are depressed, then we play the sports and it helps to maintain our mentally, to maintain us mentally and physically both. So we should must play the sport, any sport. Like there are so many sports, and like if we talk about dangal, like है ना, like this is also a part of sport. Like a movie is also made on this topic, dangal, where Geeta and Babita, all you know about the story. And Chak De India is also a movie which is based on sport, sport of hockey, right? And then MS Dhoni, Mahendra Singh Dhoni, the untold story is also made on the sports like cricket. This is also a real story. And Chak De India, many such, there are so many movies which are made to make us know, like wish to aware us that how sport is important for us. So we should must play the sport. And there are so many sports, and never ever think like sport is so much tough, because if we play the sport, then it will make us mentally and physically both strong. Okay, so there are sport like if we talk about basketball, but we should always, before playing any sport, we should always know about the rules and regulations, terms and conditions of that sport. Because if we don't know the rules and regulation, if we don't have the knowledge of that particular sports, then we might be got injured also. Because sport is good, very nice, but we should all be, sometimes we see that some people are getting fractured and injured because of playing sports, that and they are also saying that this is a disadvantage. This is not the disadvantage of sport. This is the reason that you are not that you don't know about much more about that particular sport. So before playing any game, any sport, we should also know the knowledge of that sport, the rules, the terms and condition of that sport. Like if we talk about our childhood, we have played so many sports, so many games, like kabaddi also. And if during our childhood there is a compulsion that if we are playing kabaddi, then until we touch the line, we have to speak kabaddi, 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 right? So there are so many games which refreshes our childhood also. And and I feel also very bad because of the some strictness. The children of today's generation are not aware the importance of sports, right? So that's why they are becoming lazy, and sport is the biggest advantage to make us active and to remove our laziness. Because if we play sports, if any person you will play who is playing sports and who is in the field of sports, they have much of fitness body, and they are very active minded, because they are playing a sport. Sport is very nice, and in our school also they pressurize us to play the games, and then we think that why are we came here to gain education and they are pressurizing us to play the sport. Because they know the importance of sport, that how much sport is important to us to play. So we should must play the sports, and we everyone has the knowledge to about sport. If you talk about our childhood and anything, but we are not playing due to the lack of time, due to the lack of interest. But I must say we should play the sport, and we should spread the awareness about sport. Like if we talk about Sachin Tendulkar, Master Blaster, who is known as, he has gained only high school education, right? And he is now the hips. So because of the sports, our children can pursue the career also in the field of sports. Like they can go on the field of sports if they are having the interest in sports. Then it could be possible only then if we make the awareness of sports. So it's our responsibility, it's our duty, and government and many organizations are working on it also to spread the awareness of sports. So I think it's a very good thing, and it makes us physically and mentally both active. So we should play the sport also. So at the end I want to say that खेल है हारने का गम मत करो, कि खेल है हारने का गम मत करो, फिर खेलो पर हौसला कम मत करो. Thank you so much for listening me and appreciating me.